Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the Shengshou Crazy 3x3. Let's get started. So yeah, this is the version 2 of the Sengso or Shengshou Crazy 3x3. Last tips tutorial I did earlier today, I showed doing the white cross, like matching everything up, putting it all in place. That's part 1. This is part 2. We're going to be putting in these bottom edges and these little side edges too. Like that, more or less like the F2L. So let's get started. So yeah, this is a really good puzzle. It moves pretty well. This is newer on the market. It just came out recently. So and I find that I really enjoy this puzzle. It's a really good one. It's very fun too. So if you ever get a chance, check it out. I'll have the information in the description below. So yeah, we'll start with the red and blue like this. We're going to put that in, then we're going to put in the side edge here. The red and blue is up here. Actually, it's already got the little piece in here, so we don't need to add that. So that's pretty convenient. Normally, most of the time that never happens, because if you could see here, the green and yellow, it's opposite, orange and yellow. So that's pretty convenient. So what we'll do is, it's over here, the red and blue and white needs to go right here, the blue and red. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up like this, bring this around to match it up with the white and red, and then bring it down to the bottom so we placed it in. The other edge is over here. We'll bring it around to this side here, the red and blue. That red and blue has to go right here. And plus it's flipped, so that's a little easier way to do it. So we'll do this algorithm to put it in. So we'll do a right, up, right invert, up invert, which is the sexy move. Then we'll do a front invert to connect it, like that. Then we'll do an up invert, and then a front invert, like that. So there you go, our little edge piece is in, connected with the others. So our corner section here is done. Got the orange and blue and white right here, which goes right here. So an easy way we could just pop it in is like this. You could do it whatever way you want. You could bring it over here, then bring this up. I like doing it this way. Because it's right here, I'll just bring it down, over like that. And actually our orange and blue piece is in here, but it's flipped. So what we got to do is take it out and flip it. So what we'll do is we'll do the same move we just showed. Do a right, up, right invert, up invert, the sexy move. Do a front invert like that. Up invert, and then we'll bring it back down. Bring it back over right here. So we'll just look for it on top. Got the blue and orange here, like that. And it's flipped, so that's a good thing. Like that's what we want. We'll just do the same algorithm move again. So you do right, up, right invert, up invert, sexy move. Then we do the front invert to connect it, like that. Do up invert, then a front invert, like that. So we got it in. So we got our edge back. We flipped it, and it's solved right there. Next one, which one should we do next? Got the green, orange, and white right here. It goes over here with the green, orange, and white. So we'll bring it around over here. We'll do it the other way this time. We'll put it over here on the side because it goes, this piece here goes right here. So we'll do the easy one. We'll just bring this up, bring it over to connect it like that, and bring it down. Now we just have to put in this edge piece. It's right here, orange and green. So we'll just bring it around to the other side over here. It's got to come right here. Do the same move we did before, the sexy move. Right, up, right invert, up invert. Then we do a front invert to connect it. Right there, it's connected. Then we do an up invert, and then we bring it down. So there we go, it's in. Our piece is in, the little side piece. So we got one more, it's right here. We got to bring this out because it's this belongs here, but it's got to flip. So we'll just let's see here. Move this out of the way over there for now. Bring this up, bring it over, bring it back down. It's right here. What we'll do is we'll just put it in a different way. Just do right, up, 2, right invert, up invert, right, up, and then down. And then we put it in. So now we got to just put this red and green in here. We could just do the algorithm. We could just leave it right here and just drop it down. Or we could put it here. It doesn't matter. You do up invert, front invert, up, front, do up, right, up invert, and right invert. And there we go. We put it in. We matched it up. Everything's solved over here. So I just wanted to show how to put these in. If you do it that way, how I showed, like you put this piece in first, like I was showing on each side, and then you put this piece in. What actually happens is when you're putting this piece in, it can somehow, with the algorithm, this piece joins with this one. You know, when I, like an example, when the red and green was over here, when this red and green was over here, on the bottom, this piece was missing. So when you do the algorithm and you put it in, like you bring in, put it in, it connects with this piece, and then you're able to connect it on the bottom. So if you do it that way, because before I tried other ways, and I tried first putting both of these in at the same time, like matching them up and all that, then put that in. I tried putting this first, then trying to match these up. It doesn't work. Tried many times. So this is the easiest method I found to make sure that these pieces get in together and stuff like that. And this is in. So just wanted to show that just so you could see how to do that. I'll do another tips tutorial most likely tomorrow to finish up the puzzle. So just wanted to show how to put these lower edges in, corner pieces and stuff like that, match it up and everything. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this tips tutorial on the Shengshou Crazy 3x3. It's Saturday night here in Chicago. Have my McDonald's coffee, McCafe. Still got a little bit left, and I'm loving it. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will be happy to answer you. I will reply to you when I get a chance, but I definitely will reply to you. That will happen. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this tips tutorial on the Shengshou Crazy 3x3 version 2. And it's a great puzzle. If you ever get a chance, definitely check it out. Try it out. It's at the cubing shops out there. Yeah, really fun puzzle. It's not too hard. Pretty, a little bit simple. You just learn to do the steps, and you'll be able to solve it. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time, And happy Saturday, everyone. Have a great night.